people are afraid to see that they suck at what they want to do. So let's take an example. So if for example you want to become a singer, and you dream about singing, you sing when you are in the shower, you learn songs and you sing while you're driving, whatever. But nobody listened to you, so nobody can give you feedback saying that, what you do is good or what you do is not good. And so you don't know actually if you can do it. And so you're afraid to start singing in public because at some point maybe you have assessed that, I actually don't know how to do it well. When I listen to that artist, they sound really good compared to me. And so you don't even start, because every time you're questioning your skills, every time you're questioning your talent, and it's better to not start and discover that you suck because it's gonna hurt than to start and then go in the public and sing in front of people and having many people telling you suck.